Want to know the steps of getting a mortgage pre-qualification? I have invited Michael Mann with Renasant Mortgage to help explain the steps it takes to get a mortgage pre-qualification. If you live in the Birmingham area or even in the southeast region of the United States, I highly recommend that you contact Michael Mann with Renasant Bank. I've worked with him on several transactions and it's just a breeze, drama-free. Michael, how important is it for the home buyer to contact a lender before looking at houses?
It's very important to get in touch with a good, trusted mortgage lender as early in the home buying process as possible because they're going to help you game plan from the finance side so that you can go out and shop and negotiate with confidence.
And there's nothing more heartbreaking than for someone to find their dream home and then contact a lender and find out they can't obtain the financing or the monthly mortgage payments too high.
Right.
Michael, once a home buyer selects a lender, what's the next step?
You want to let your lender give them an idea of where you think your credit score may be. They're likely going to ask you some additional questions to determine whether or not they feel like it's a good time to go ahead and pull that report and look at it. So if you and your lender determine it's a good time to pull it, it's important to get that pulled and reviewed as soon as possible. The information in your report is going to determine several key factors in your loan process. Also, it's important if there's going to be any hurdles are brought to light in the credit report that those are looked at as early as possible so we can go ahead and begin working on those and moving forward.
Say the home buyer's credit score is good. What's next?
The next thing we want to do is determine sales price, loan amount, and loan terms that you would be comfortable with and likely qualify for. So in order to do that, they're going to need to calculate your qualifying income. So you would need to be prepared to be able to go ahead and get your hands on and provide the details that they'll need, because they'll need to be as thorough as possible when calculating that qualifying income, because that's how they're going to be able to send you out to shop with confidence.
Is this when the home buyer receives a pre-qualification letter?
Yes, once your lender's reviewed your credit and income and you've identified the loan amount and terms that you're comfortable with and can qualify with, they'll issue you a pre-qualification letter, and that will let the agent, your agent, and the listing agents know that a qualified mortgage banker has reviewed your information and determined that you're likely to qualify for a mortgage, and that in turn will give them the confidence to go ahead and start negotiating the sales price for you.
Awesome. So now is the time to hire the right realtor, right?
Correct.
If you live in the Birmingham area, I highly recommend that you hire me as your realtor. If you don't live in the Birmingham area, contact me and I will find a realtor who will provide you with the same service that I would. Michael, thank you so much for taking time to explain the pre-qualification process of obtaining a mortgage. If you would like to get in touch with Michael, his contact details are below. If you have any questions, please put them down in comments and I will answer them with Michael's help. And if you like this video and would like to watch more videos on home buying tips, please hit like and subscribe, and know that I am committed to realizing your real estate dreams. Bye, y'all.